Hello, hello. Can you all hear me? Hello, can you all hear me?
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Okay. So what we're going to do today is we're going to start the next part of yesterday's class. So were you able to understand the numericals that we did in the last class? Was those numericals clear for all of you? Hello. So was those numericals clear for all of you? किसी को कुछ डाउट है क्या कल का न्यूमेरिकल्स का? Students, please respond. Anyone have any doubts regarding yesterday's numerical?
No.
No, no? Okay.
No.
Okay, okay. So we are going to what we are going to do this today is power. Yesterday we all did the numerical. Can you see the screen? Can you see the screen? Okay. So what is power actually?
No.
दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है? दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है तुम लोग
No.
को? बाकी सबको दिखाई दे रहा है?
No.
No?
No.
Your audio is not clear. Please come to a different location. Someone please respond. Is it visible? The slides and all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It's visible now? So what is power actually? It's visible now? So power is defined as the rate of doing work. That means what? It is the measurement of performance of engines. Okay? So an engine doing a certain amount of work in 1 second will be twice as powerful an engine doing the same amount of work in 2 seconds. So the unit of power is written as what? Watt, which is equal to 1 Newton meter per second. So beforehand for work done it was what? There was no time factor present. But here when power comes, a time factor also comes. That means what? The rate of doing work. That means what? Work done per unit time. हाँ, तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? उसको हम लोग पावर बोलते हैं. The SI unit of power is what? Watt. Okay, watt, which is equal to 1 Newton meter per second. So 1 Newton meter per second. This thing is what? This is 1 Newton per meter per second means joule per second. Newton meter is what? In joule, right? So if Newton meter is in joule, then it is known as Newton meter per second. Okay. So this is the, what do you call it? Unit of power. Now in power what happens? We generally use kilowatt, megawatt, these things. I think so you have all heard in electricity, like distribution channels, or maybe in dams and all, or maybe in power plants, some megawatt power plant, some kilowatt power plant. This is a higher energy. I mean higher units, so you use kilo, mega, something like that. So 1 kilowatt is equal to what? 10 to the power 3 watt. And 1 megawatt is equal to 10 to the power 6 watt. मेगा मतलब 10 to the power 6 है. So basically In case of engines, there are two types of powers. Number one is what? Indicated power, and number two is brake power. Now, indicated power means what? This is the actual power that is generated by the engine cylinder. हाँ, it is known as what? Indicated power. ठीक है? अब brake power क्या है? It is the power that is generated by the engine cylinder and is not available for useful work. This is known as the brake power. Now, efficiency of the engine is the ratio of brake power to indicated power. The brake power is of an engine is measured by an apparatus which is called as dynamometer or brake. This is the dynamometer or brake. These are not important that much.
Did you say, sir? You said, sir. Brake power means?
Brake power means the power which is generated, or you can say that the power which is not useful actually.
Yes.
ठीक है, जो यूजफुल नहीं है उसको ब्रेक बोलते हैं. ठीक है.
Okay.
और इंडिकेटेड पावर क्या है? इंजन जो जनरेट करता है ना, उसे हम लोग इंडिकेटेड पावर कहते हैं. ठीक है, वी से दैट इज इंडिकेटेड पावर. क्लियर?
हाँ जी. हाँ सर.
So let us do a simple numerical now. Can you see the screen? Can you see the screen, students?
No.
Now,
No.
तुम अटेंडेंस मत दो अभी, अटेंडेंस लास्ट में देना. अभी अटेंडेंस में
Yeah.
काउंट नहीं करूंगा. कोई अटेंडेंस दिया है मुझे अभी. सुबह सुबह कौन अटेंडेंस देता है? लास्ट में देता है क्लास का. ठीक है, अभी दिखाई दे रहा है? कैन यू सी द डे?
Yes sir.
हाँ, दिखाई दे रहा है?
Yes sir.
Okay, can you solve it? So power is what? Work done per unit time, right? So work done per unit time is power. So you have to find out first. In the first case, the work done is given. You have to simply find out the power. But in the second case, you have to find out the work done from the force, and then you have to find out the power. Just find it out. I'm waiting. Someone has given the answer. Wait. I let others do also. Just take some time. Whatever others that they solve, only one is solved. I can see. I want the others also to solve.
Sir,
Hmm.
in second case, we take 1 meter as a distance ना sir?
कहाँ पे? कौन सा वाला? एक नंबर में या दो नंबर पे?
In second case, example 2.
सेकंड केस देखो.
Yes.
मोटर तुमको क्या चाहिए इसमें? क्या डाउट है तुम्हारा? बोलो तो एक बार.
Chance to
हम्म.
distance ना sir.
हम्म. हम्म.
To find out work done, we need distance. So
Yes.
we take distance as a 1 meter.
देखो
Okay,
यहाँ पे
that's
स्पीड
fine.
दिया गया है ना, it is given what the speed, right? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Hmm? So if it is given in speed, speed means what? Meter per second. Yes or no?
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes. Yes.
And then the force is given in what? उसका कितना पे दिया है बोलो
Newton.
तो? न्यूटन. तो
600
उसका पावर का यूनिट क्या है बोलो तो?
What?
पावर का
1 Newton meter.
हाँ, जस्ट अ मिनट प्लीज वेट, जस्ट अ मिनट,
Oh.
जस्ट अ मिनट. तो मैं पूछूंगा. तो पावर का यूनिट क्या है बोलो? हेलो.
1 Newton meter.
ना, न्यूटन मीटर नहीं है, न्यूटन मीटर पर सेकेंड है. यस और नो? द यूनिट ऑफ पावर इज
जी
व्हाट?
हाँ,
न्यूटन मीटर पर सेकेंड. यस और नो?
न्यूटन मीटर पर सेकंड. यस.
तो क्या होगा? देखो न्यूटन मीटर पर सेकेंड है, तो पर सेकेंड, मीटर पर सेकेंड इज ऑलरेडी देयर ना इन द स्पीड थिंग, एंड न्यूटन इज गिवन.
हाँ.
तो वी कैन डायरेक्टली फाइंड आउट द पावर, नो हैव
यस.
टू फाइंड आउट द वर्क डन. अभी समझ में आया? हेलो.
हाँ
हेलो.
सर, इनटू कर देगा क्या सर?
हाँ, इंटू कर दो, इंटू जस्ट
Yes. It's fine,
इंटू
sir.
मल्टीप्लाई इट.
Understand, sir.
हाँ, just multiply it. Why? Because look, you have to find out what it is in
हाँ.
Newton meter per second, na? So this thing, just look at the unit.
हाँ. हाँ.
Meter per second is given. That is why no need to find out the distance. Why to make so much complicated? Got it? Now is it clear? Someone asked some
यस.
1 Newton meter per second. Who asked me? Just now someone spoke. What you have? You have any doubt? Hello. कोई मुझे पूछ रहा था.
Sir, it's clear.
Can you just understand what is this? How it is done? Hello. Hello.
सर
बोलो, कुछ डाउट है?
सर लाइक वही एग्जांपल 2 का तो इनटू करना था, फिर अभी एग्जांपल तो ये और 3 को देखेगा सर.
कि तू का नहीं, तू को कंप्लीट करो, ठीक है, फिर उसके बाद थ्री करेगा. समझ लिया?
अच्छा अच्छा.
आगे आगे तू को कंप्लीट करो ना. Okay, no problem. No problem. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. So first of all, try to solve this one. Then you solve the next one. So please try to solve the next one, third one. Right? Try to solve the third one. So how will you do this one? Are you able to solve it? Hmm? Are you able to understand this one?
No. No, sir.
Okay, wait. First of all, it is given what? The mass is given, right? The mass m is given and the velocity v is given, right? So there is one term, if you see, frictional resistance, which is equal to 80 Newton per ton, right? Now look, 80 Newton per ton is the frictional resistance, right? So if 80 Newton per ton is the frictional resistance, then per ton मतलब 1 ton में क्या होता है, 80 Newton resistance होता है. So what is the mass given? The mass is given as your 20 ton, right? So 20 ton is the mass given. 20 ton is the mass as it is given. Since 20 ton is the mass given, that means what? 80 Newton per ton. Na? 80 Newton per ton means what? 80 into 20 you have
80
to
into
find.
20,
Why you are finding out 80 into
1600.
20? Why you are finding out
Find
18?
the force.
फोर्स तो 18 to
Tot
20 क्यों किया बोलो तो?
to find the total force on
नहीं,
that
18 to
20
20
newtons.
मल्टीप्लाई क्यों किया? समझ सकते
वही
हो?
मास का टोटल मास का फोर्स फाइंड करने का टोटल
नहीं नहीं,
फोर्स.
ये नहीं, ये देखो.
Power
Anyone else want to answer?
to find power of the engine.
So far, no, that thing I know. Why you are doing it 80 into 20? Why did not you divide it by 20? You multiplied it by 20, na? You could have divided it by 20 also. Why you did not do?
Because in frictional force it has written that 1 newton is
In what?
equal to 80 पर tons में 80 न्यूटन होता है. So
Ah,
if we into with the 80 ton, then we will get the total
good, very
frictional
good,
force
good, 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 good,
of
good.
the.
These others, दूसरे लोगों को समझ में आया? Everyone understood why we take 80 Newton into 20. So you find out after that you will get the what? That force, frictional resistance force. So you got the force, you got the force, you got the what? You have a one velocity. Now the velocity is in 4 kilometer per hour. Huh? I told you how to convert it to meter per second, na? Yes or no? Can you convert it to meter per second? Just multiply by 5 by 18. You will be getting it. So you got two terms. Then you can find out the power. Now there is a catch. In the last part there is one line, 80% efficiency. First of all you find out the power and tell me the answer. Then we will go to the this part, efficiency thing. Understood everyone? How it is done? Okay, one got the answers. Okay, someone got the answer also. Good. But what about others? I want answers from everyone. So please try. Let us also try the question and try to solve it out.
Sir,
बोलो.
in speed, why do we multiply pi by 18? जब
कौन
हम
सा?
लोग उसको we want to convert it to the in meter per
शॉर्टकट
second.
है, शॉर्टकट है. तुम एक बार काम करो. मैं तुमको नहीं
Yes.
बोलता हूँ. देखो, किलोमीटर पर आवर टू मीटर पर सेकेंड. If you convert it, you have to convert the kilometer, 10,000 meters, then you have for in hour 3600 seconds. So if you divide these two, the lowest fraction is 5/18. ये शॉर्टकट है तुम लोग के लिए भी. बाकी तुम लोग लॉन्ग प्रोसेस से कर सकते हो. I don't have any problem. But in exam you will get less amount of time, na? So it will be better for you guys only. Understood? समझ में आया? Hello.
When yes.
Got it? So you have to just multiply by 5/18. Shortcut है ये. बाकी कुछ नहीं है. Easy way of solving the numerical basically. Okay? Just try
Okay.
solve it. ऐसे नॉर्मली कन्वर्ट करके देखो और 5/18 से मल्टीप्लाई करके देखना एक बार. दोनों का सेम ही निकलेगा आंसर. This is just the trick.
After find out S, no. So we need to find out W.
Power find out. Did you find out the power?
No sir. After find out the S को निकाल दिया. उसके बाद
S के S मतलब S मतलब
वो जो आप अभी जो आप बोला था स्पीड इन मीटर पर
स्पीड
सेकेंड
को
फाइंड
निकालो.
आउट कर
उसके
दिया.
बाद पावर निकालो. पावर को कैसे निकालेगा?
पावर
वो वेलोसिटी से मल्टीप्लाई करना. मतलब वेलोसिटी और फोर्स दिया गया है ना तुम लोग को.
यस.
तो उसको ये करना. समझा?
Sir,
Hmm.
to find out power, we have W by T, and To
W
find
बट
out
इन
W,
एयर।
we need F. Which one?
हाँ, F को निकालना है यहाँ तुम लोग फ्रिक्शनल रेजिस्टेंस से 80 into 20. The expression will be like this, no? Yeah, many people got the answer. Good, very good. Now understood. This one and this one. When you multiply these two, you will be getting the F, na? You will be getting the F, na? Then there
Yes,
is one
yes, sir.
velocity also. So you will be multiplying this two and you get the expression.
Okay,
Only.
okay, sir.
समझा?
Hmm.
It might vary. Someone asked me indicated power will always be greater than brake power. Look, brake power and indicated power are two different terms, no? So it might vary. But generally, indicated is greater so that we can find out the efficiency. So it might vary. It's not that it will always be greater. Okay. So are you able to solve it? Now the last part. Let us discuss the last part. So the answer for power is what? P is equal to 20 kilowatt. Now the efficiency of the engine is given as 80%. 80% means what? You can write it as 0.8.
28.
Yes or no? You can write it as 0.8.
Yes.
So actual power, what will be actual power? The actual power will be this one, 20 divided by what? 0.8 is the one actual समझा? Students, did you get it now?
Yes, sir.
So find it out. Tell me the answer first. Okay, good. People got the answer. अभी समझ में आ गया? Everyone, I'm asking. Are you understanding it? Okay, good. Very good. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me.
हेलो सर।
बोलो.
जी आज मेरा
So if you have any doubt, you can ask me.